Hey, it's Ashley here, and welcome to another episode in my Home Reno series. So in today's episode, it is all about putting up these walls and getting them ready for painting. There were so many holes in the wall. It was actually crazy. We're not really dealing with wallpaper anymore. Yay! So let's go ahead and start this episode. All right, back again. It's a new day. So I hope there is nothing in my teeth because I ate some Brussels sprouts and I feel it in my teeth. Okay, so yes, I am back again. I'm here by myself right now, and let's talk about the game plan for today. So today I plan on prepping this room in here. We're gonna call it the dining room, although that's probably not what it'd be, but the dining room. So yesterday I was cleaning up the walls, and then today I'm going to start putting up some holes in here, and then I do see some screws that I need to take down too. Another thing that I plan on doing today is the bathroom upstairs, so starting to clean up those walls. So, you know, doing the brown paper thing that I've been doing this whole entire time. That brown part, just fixing all that. So I'm gonna start on the room upstairs. Then later on, Simone should be joining me, and we'll be prepping some more walls. So that's the plan for today. Let me show you guys the floors. So they did, like I said, the kitchen. I think I said this. The kitchen for us, and in the living room because it needed to be level, and they pulled up the tile and stuff, and we honestly really didn't want to do all that. So I'm gonna show it to you real quick. Okay, so they left this part because we're gonna continue this on in here. And this is what it is looking like in here. So they did all the way into the laundry room too. Then over here in this area over there, oh my god, it looks so good. And then in here. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love this color. I also excuse me, we also moved this little island thing that they had in here. I have a love-hate relationship with that thing. I don't know if I should keep it or if we should just nix it. So anyways, and then, so they still have to come back and put the shoe molding back. So they have it in certain areas, but they have to come and put it back over on some, like this island part and everything. And we will be painting these, so honestly they probably could have kept them off, but they're just gonna be putting them back on. And then they did all in here. Ooh. Okay, let me show you guys from this angle. Again, over here they did leave this part so we can just continue on in here. But this is what it looks like from this side. Oh my gosh, this looks like, it already looks 10 times better, and we haven't even painted or anything. So yes, so that's what they did, and I am super excited. So let me go ahead and start on what I'm supposed to be doing today. Another quick thing, so the paper is gonna get put down so we can continue on with, you know, we gotta have, of course we're painting the walls and stuff, so we're gonna put the paper down so we can do that.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we.
Okay, what is that on my eyebrow? Okay, so I finished this room. Yay! Okay, so this room is done. I'm gonna let it dry. And then I'm gonna do, I feel like I'm gonna just do one more coat because I can't. And then I decided that I'm probably just gonna start to fix all the walls down here, putty up areas that need to be putty, because honestly, these areas right here, I don't know why they have so many nail holes. It's quite ridiculous. And they have them in weird places, but I'm probably just gonna start to do that down here, because these walls didn't have any wallpaper, so they just need, why is my camera not focusing? Wait a second. Okay, yeah, so they just need to be puttied in certain areas, as you can see. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'll work my way upstairs to that bathroom. Okay, I don't know what is going on here, but I'm gonna see if maybe I can sand this before I add the putty in. I don't know what is this, but this is messed up.
If my highs are highs, my lows are low, need to blow off some steam to get back up. I'm not someone you should cheat on, 'cause when I come back strong. Raise your glass to the sky, let's toast to that. All these people can stare, I don't care about that. This is my pity party, I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody.
All right, I have made it upstairs.
Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every week.
All right, so when I got up here, I started to work on the girls' room, getting this nice and prepped. It wasn't really much to do with these walls, thank goodness. So I puttied up some of the holes and cracks that the walls had, and then I started to clean up the popcorn ceilings that Samel did not get up the day before. So anyways, I started to vacuum that up because it was really messy. And then I started to work on the girls' bathroom.
Other life where my dreams don't lay down and die. I'll hang out with the folks on screen. I'll be chilling in a pot of gold. You should bet your money on me, 'cause I'm never ever coming home. Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat.
Okay, so the toilet is out. I have finished doing this room, prepping it, cleaning up the brown parts. I've done this wall in here. Now I just have this wall to do over the mirror, and over here. But these are fairly easy to do than the ones downstairs, so this isn't taking that long. Okay, so we're about to take this door down because there's no need for it. We just go in and out instead of closing the door. So, about to take this out. So without that door, it just opens it up. I mean, it's not open, but it's open. I don't think you guys understand, but it just is so much better. Now, it's no clunky door over here. It's just, you go into the next room. Hello. Okay, so that's it for today. The last thing I did was I kind of just lined this area right here. So tomorrow I can come and start prepping the walls in here. And then we're gonna have to add that paper in here throughout so that we can start on the ceilings. Oh yeah, the little scaffold thing. Okay, yeah, so we are also getting a scaffold to get up here because it's really high. Yeah. Okay, so yes, that is it for today. I'm ready to go. I have been here all day. So I hope you enjoyed this episode and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Did I really?